What's up, people? Welcome back to Internash. Getting a job in Australia as an international student is hard, and if you want a job in your own field, it's even harder. But you do not need a job to make money. In this video, we're going to discuss 3 ways how you can make money while you're looking for a job or do not have a job as an international student in Australia. So, check it out. As you might know, I recently moved to Adelaide and I am meeting a lot of international students here who are studying in Adelaide to understand how's life here, what are the problems they are facing, what jobs they are doing or how they are making money. And I met this couple of international students who are making money without doing a job. And honestly, that wasn't me. The first thing that I wanted when I moved to Melbourne was wanting a job, and that's what I was working hard towards. And I thought, why not do a video on these things, how they are making money, so that when you come to Australia or if you are looking to make money right now, you can follow these steps and try and just do that. If it works out, great. But before we get into those 3 things, I want you guys to like this video and subscribe to this channel because we make videos every week for international students who are planning to come to Australia or who are already in Australia. Moving on to the video. Number 1 is making money through Facebook Marketplace. So I met this guy, he's studying at University of South Australia, and I was talking to him about where he's working, where he's living, where he's studying and everything. And I asked him, it's like, how do you pay your rent? How do you survive? And he said that I make money off Facebook Marketplace. And I was like, what? Like, how do you make money off Facebook Marketplace? And he had a couple of valid points to make. First was that in Australia, it is extremely expensive to ask somebody to come at your house, pick up certain things if you're moving to another property. And that's why a lot of people choose to just sell those things and buy other things because removal services is extremely expensive. Another thing is a lot of people just take pictures for the sake of it without writing a lot of description, sell products on Facebook Marketplace by devaluating the product. So what he does is, one of the examples that he gave was that he buys bicycles. A lot of people in Adelaide are into cycling. So what they do is that when they buy a new cycle, they're going to sell their old bicycle. And that's why they put it on Facebook Marketplace or Gumtree. So they don't take proper pictures. They don't write proper descriptions. And when you think that this product could actually sell for a lot more than what they are selling for, he goes there, buy that product, take proper pictures, write good description. If any repairing is needed, he would repair that product and then sell it off. And I was like, that is so brilliant. I myself have sold so many products on Facebook Marketplace, and if it wouldn't sell for 2 or 3 days, I would just devalue that product. If I'm selling something for $100, I would just put $75 because I just want that product gone. And that was brilliant. And he has done this multiple times with bicycles and a couple of other products like guitar and a couple of books. And he actually has made a decent sum of money. And this is something that I never thought of. So just have a look at Facebook Marketplace and Gumtree whenever you're free and see if this is something that you're interested in. The second thing that you can do to make money while you don't have a job is offer your services of the skills that you already have or you are developing. So majority of you must have heard of freelancer. That you go to freelancer.com, you look at the jobs available, you offer them your quote. If they agree, then you do the job for them and they give you money. Now, apart from freelancer, there is also something called Airtasker. Airtasker hasn't sponsored this video. I wish they had, but Airtasker has helped so many international students, and that's why it's worth mentioning. If you go to airtasker.com or download their app, then you would be able to see a lot of jobs that are available around your area. So for example, somebody wants help with moving, or somebody wants help with making their LinkedIn profile, or somebody wants help with their social media. And if you think you can actually do those jobs, then definitely offer your services, see how much they're offering for. And if you think you're new at it, then try and tell them that you're new at it, but you're happy to do it in like 70% of the price of what they're happy to pay. So they'll actually save money and get the job done, and you'll get the reviews and experience of doing a certain job. Before we move into number 3, hit the like button and write it in the comment section. What skill do you have or would you like to develop when you're in Australia? Moving on to number 3, and that is Uber and Uber Eats. A lot of international students actually make money off Uber and Uber Eats. Now, if you want to do Uber, then you have to have a car that is no less than 10 years old. So anything that is above 2012 or soon in 6 months 2011, that is okay to be registered with Uber. And you'll also need an Australian license. Depending on the state, either it should be 6 months old or 1 year old. So if that is something that you're considering on doing, then whenever you come to Australia, first thing that you should do is get your license converted and get an Australian license. Moving on to Uber Eats. Now, a lot of international students actually go for Uber Eats because it is a lot easier. You just need to register yourself. Even if you have a bicycle, you can do Uber Eats. In fact, we have made a video specifically on Uber Eats. I'll write the link in the description so that you can watch that video after this video. There are also a lot of other international students, YouTube creators, who have made videos on Uber Eats. So I would just suggest to write international students Uber Eats pay in YouTube search bar and then check multiple other videos so that you can get complete information on Uber Eats. Hope you love this video, guys. If you have any questions, write it in the comment section and we'll try and reply to your questions and comments. If you love this video, then share it with your friends and hit that like button so that we can reach out to more and more people. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel, hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. See you in the next video.